une bulle dans un bon carré. J'ai perdu pied au fil des jours.
Alright, y'all. Porch light here. So, I was gonna film this yesterday, but you know, it's just so much going on. Now, if y'all familiar with this, this is a rabbit burrow. Now, yesterday I actually went and I was going through here and I was watering my bed, and not my real bed, but my flower bed or plant bed. Whew, you know what I mean. I was watering it, and then all of a sudden this little furry thing pops out with big old ears, and guess what? It was a rabbit. So just to kind of get the story going, I found 3 rabbits in this burrow. So I read, and let me give y'all a better view while I'm doing this. So I read that you should leave them alone, you shouldn't mess with them, and so forth. So I was like, cool. So I come to check on them, and I'm about to put my gloves on so I can show y'all. Hold on. So I'm trying to maneuver with my left hand. I ain't got no tripod. So I pull to the side. And as you see, no rabbits, but then you got the rabbit fur from the mom. And then I try to give them some food. They didn't want it apparently. So I go over here. I'm just looking around the bed. And guess who I see? Hold on. What's up, buddy? Hold on, let me try to get it. What's up? Hold on. What's up, buddy? Hey. So he's just chilling. So I think the other 2 rabbits went on their way and maybe he ain't ready. But these are obviously big boys now. And they're gonna have a bright future tearing my garden up. So I will keep y'all posted. And if he's still here, maybe we can name him. Porch light out. I was out until I saw this. Let me see if I get in there. You see that guy? Yeah. There's another one. Chilling, eyeing me. And look at that guy there. So these guys are still up in my garden, chilling like villains. And yeah, so we're gonna see what's happening, y'all. Porch light out.
Comme une bulle dans un bon carré. J'ai perdu pied au fil des jours. Et c'est la vie qui me tramène.